Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have luxurious challenge for you. Would you rather design your mega luxury mansion with amazing fun choices? But before we get started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First choice. Which bunk bed would you sleep in? Option 1, 2, or 3. Now time to choose your dream home partner. Which pet would you bring home? Fresh start. Which standing shower would you step into? Pick one. Which house would you live in? Choose wisely, it's your forever living home. Every home needs this. Pick the sink you would use in your home. If you could design the perfect yard, which garden would you choose? First, second, or third one? Time to splash into fun. Choose the inflatable pool you would swim in. Let's go on long drive, but first pick the car you drive. Left, middle, or right? Dinner time. Which meal would you choose? Every dish looks mouth-watering. Which air fryer would you use? Stitch, Mario, or the Pikachu style? Pick one. Bonus round. Time to pick your gift. Choose wisely. Unlimited money, unlimited love, or unlimited blessings. What you get, comment down below. Pick the toilet you would have in your home. First, second, or third. What is your choice? Dream stay. Which villa would you live in? Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3? If you could read all day, which library would you choose? Make your choice. After a long day, which jacuzzi would you relax in? Gaming lovers, which gaming setup would you pick? Which bedroom would you choose? Stitch, unicorn, or the Mario style? Pick one. Pick the chandelier you would hang at home. Left, middle, or right? Watch closely. Can you find the Mario that looks different from the rest? Bingo! The different Mario is hiding right here. Which patio would you want for your home? Music lovers? Which piano you want in your dream home? Cozy night. Which fireplace would you sit by? Pick one and kick two. It's dinner time, but first let's pick your dining table. Where you sit for dinner. Now it's time to pick your bathroom. Which one matches with your dream home best? Which pool would you choose to swim in? Pick one. Which staircase would you climb every day? First, second, or third option? Time to decorate. Which carpet would you choose? Left, middle, or right? If you could wake up anywhere, which view would you want to see? Style check. Which wardrobe would you open every day? If you could redesign your room, which bed would you choose? Splash. Which swimming pool would be yours? Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3. Quick challenge. Like this video, comment your name and birthday, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting quizzes. Which home aquarium you want in your dream home? Pick the TV you would watch Jumbo quiz videos on. Choose your flower pot. Which one looks cutest to you? Time to cook something. Which kitchen would you cook in? If you were going out, which handbag would you carry? Left, middle, or right? Movie night. Which sofa would you sit on? Pick the porch you would sit on. Choose the bathtub you would soak in. First, second, or third option. Which fence would you choose for your home? Which one protects your home better? Pick the swinging chair you would relax in. What is your choice this time? Choose the bookshelf you would fill with stories. Memory challenge. Remember the position of every character. Where is Hello Kitty is hiding? Correct. Hello Kitty is hiding under number 3. If you could live anywhere, which mansion would you pick? Which pool table would you want in your game room? Welcome home. Which door would you open? Left, middle, or right? Make your choice. It's time to sit comfortably. Which comfiest chair would you pick? Let's pick your coziest pillow. Jake the dog, Hello Kitty, or the Sonic one? And what about your rug? Which one gives your feet comfy vibes? Time to pick your bedside table. First, second, or third option. Pick your night lamp. Which one gives you light in darkest nights? Sweet toothpick. Which cake do you want to eat? Pick your flavor. Which backpack carry all your school luggage? Pick one. Final choice. Now pick your motorbike. Which one suits your style best? That was amazing mega luxury mansion adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.